What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy YGTJ back again with another video, and we finally messing with the Mustang again, bro. The Fusion is nice and all, but you know, I really like messing with the Mustang. So for today's video, we're gonna work on switching out this air filter. This engine is like as stock as it can be. I still got the stock air filter, stock, all this restrictive stuff. That's why my car is so slow. But bro, look at this air filter. This mug is trifling. Like, it's a dead fly in there. I don't know why I never got up in here and changed this thing, but that's what we're about to do today. So I'm gonna grab the new filter out the big fuse dog over here, and I'll be right back. All right, man, it's burning up out here, so I'm not gonna waste too much of your time. This air filter came from AutoZone. You know, it says STP. I think that's the AutoZone brand. I don't know, but I just got it just because it's better. Anything is better than this. Oh, this bad boy red, bro. My car about to be faster just because I got a red filter, and I don't care with no. Even if you can't see it, it's faster automatically with a red filter. In case y'all didn't know that. So yeah, to take it off, you just want to get a ratchet 8mm socket, unbolt this right here. Then you're gonna pull this up. That comes off. You want to slide it around however you need to in order to pull this off. And this whole thing will just come off like that. You got to use a little bit of muscle, pull it back, and you pull out the old filter from inside there. First, we're gonna clean this dirt out. We're gonna try to knock some of that dirt out, and then put the new filter, slide it up in there, and yeah. So boom, we got that mug slid in there just like that. We got a new air filter, bro. Ready to suck in some clean air. You know what I'm saying? And it's red, so we about to be way faster now. Talking about Hellcats, anything, even the Shelby. Shelby think it's fast, bro. Nah, I got my new air filter. You just put the new filter in, reverse the steps. So just put this back on here, line it up. Get these both inside the ring. Make sure these plastic parts line up like that. Close this back down. You kind of want to pull this at the same time, because that makes it a lot easier than just trying to push. Pull that, move your fingers out the way, push it down, put your 8mm back in there, and you are done. Start it by hand, make it a little easier on yourself. Take your ratchet. Make sure you turn it the right way. You're gonna be mad if you turn it and you've been unscrewing it the whole time, and it's 1,000 degrees outside. Anyways, yeah, finish this up. Boom, got that tightened up. This dirty old, this is disappointing. I'm very disappointed that this even ever got this dirty. But anyways, got that done. Just changed the oil not too long ago. It's new air filter, new oil filter. About to start this bad boy up as soon as we get this plastic off this engine, because that would be the dumbest thing I've done all year. That was fun. That's it for today's video. I'm out here about to start sweating. I don't know why I wear this hoodie and it's like 1,000,000,000 degrees outside, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Now you know how to change your air filter if you got a stock air intake, which nobody really has anymore, on a 97 Mustang GT. Yeah, y'all be safe out there. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, follow the Instagram, and that is down there in the description if you don't know. And I'm gonna let y'all go.